Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. This is a very important video if you are using AWS or planning to use AWS because in this video I am going to talk about the new billing policy of AWS with respective public IPv4 addresses effective from 1st of February 2024. Let's try to understand in simple words what exactly is this change about and why is AWS planning to do this particular change. Let's start with what exactly this change about. AWS is going to charge 0.005 US dollars on every single public IPv4 address that you are going to create on its platform. It doesn't matter if the public IPv4 address is assigned to a resource or it's set free. This public IPv4 address can be assigned to an EC2 instance, can be assigned to RDS or any particular AWS resource, or even if it is set free, AWS is going to charge. But how does this affect a free tier AWS account user? So for free tier AWS users, AWS has taken this point into consideration and you will get 750 hours of free public IPv4 addresses. But after that, the public IPv4 addresses are charged even on the free tier AWS account. This is similar to how AWS offers EC2 instances at this point of time. So you can create an EC2 instance and use it for 750 hours. Or if you create two AWS EC2 instances, you can use 375 hours each. Similarly, on a free tier AWS account, if you are using two public IPv4 addresses, you can use them for 375 hours each. If you are using 4, divided by 750. And similarly, the number of public IPv4 addresses that you are using, just divide that number with 750. And that is the number of hours that you can use public IPv4 addresses free on the free tier AWS account. Now, again, I'm repeating, this applies to IP addresses that are assigned to EC2 instances, RDS, or any resources that you have assigned this public IPv4 addresses with. But why AWS has decided to do this? This is another important aspect to understand. The simple answer to this question is to promote the usage of IPv6. The other reason is that IPv4 addresses are limited in number because of its nature, how the IPv4 standard is. So the cost for AWS to procure a public IPv4 address has gone by 300% over the last 5 years. So also to manage its cost and to promote IPv6 standard, AWS has taken this decision. So going ahead, you will see AWS promoting IPv6 more. So if you are using public IPv4 addresses on the AWS platform, please take this point into consideration and do not waste the public IP addresses. Probably you can create more private IPv4 addresses because they are still free of cost and you can use them effectively and use public IPv4 address only when it is absolutely required. Also, you can start using IPv6. Today, EC2 instances support IPv6. So you can also play around with IPv6. I'll make more tutorials on this and I'll start explaining more on how to use IPv6, what are the benefits of IPv6 over IPv4. But for now, this is the information that I wanted to share. So I hope you found this video informative and please share this video with the AWS users that you know. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next one. Take care.